In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, there's a buzzword that's becoming increasingly critical: product traceability. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean, and why should you care? Well, let's break it down. Product traceability is essentially the ability to track a product or its components throughout the entire supply chain, from the raw materials all the way to the finished goods on store shelves. It's like having a detailed map of a product's journey, and trust me, that map is more important than you might think. Imagine you're at your favorite grocery store and you pick up a snack. You might not realize it, but the journey of that snack started long before it reached the shelf. It began with raw ingredients, like flour, sugar, and oils, sourced from various suppliers. Each of those ingredients has its own story, its own journey. Product traceability allows manufacturers to keep track of these stories, ensuring that everything is safe, high quality, and compliant with regulations. If something goes wrong, say a batch of cookies is found to be contaminated, traceability allows manufacturers to quickly pinpoint the source of the problem. They can trace it back to the specific supplier or even the exact batch of raw materials, preventing any contaminated products from reaching consumers. This is not just about keeping companies accountable. It's about protecting you as a consumer. Now, let's talk about the two perspectives on traceability: chain traceability and internal traceability. Chain traceability is all about tracking a product's journey from its origin to the final consumer. It's like following a breadcrumb trail through the PAL supply chain. This is crucial for compliance with regulations and ensuring product safety. On the other hand, internal traceability focuses on tracking materials and products within a single manufacturing facility. Think of it as keeping tabs on every ingredient and component as they move through the production process. This is especially important for complex products, like electronics or automotive parts, where a small defect could lead to significant issues down the line. But what if we take it a step further? Enter end-to-end traceability. This is the gold standard in product traceability, where every single material and component is tracked from its origin all the way to the consumer's hands. It's comprehensive, and it provides manufacturers with complete visibility over their supply chain. To achieve this level of traceability, manufacturers often use technologies like barcode systems and RFID tags. These tools allow them to scan products at every stage of their journey, creating a digital trail that can be followed back to the very beginning. Now, let's look at some real-world examples of successful product traceability implementation. Take a food manufacturer, for instance. They start with raw materials like flour and sugar, which they track using barcodes as they enter the facility. Once those ingredients are mixed and baked into cookies, each batch gets its own unique identifier. If a quality issue arises, they can trace it back to the specific batch of flour used, identify the supplier, and take action, whether that means a recall or simply improving their sourcing practices. This not only protects consumers, but also helps the company maintain its reputation for quality. So, why is product traceability so essential? For one, it enhances safety and quality control. Manufacturers can quickly identify and rectify any issues that arise, ensuring that only safe products make it to market. Additionally, traceability is vital for regulatory compliance. Many industries, especially pharmaceuticals and food production, are subject to strict regulations that require them to track their products meticulously. Failing to comply can lead to hefty fines and damage to a company's reputation. But it's not just about compliance and safety. Product traceability can also lead to improved efficiency in the supply chain. By tracking products, manufacturers can identify bottlenecks and streamline their processes, reducing waste and saving money. Plus, in today's world, consumers are increasingly interested in the origins of their products. They want to know where their food comes from, how it's made, and whether it's safe. By providing this transparency, manufacturers can build trust and confidence with their customers. Of course, Implementing a product traceability system isn't without its challenges. Cost is a significant factor. Setting up the necessary technology and training staff can take a big bite out of a budget. However, the long-term benefits often outweigh these initial costs. Integration with existing systems can also be tricky, especially if those systems weren't designed to work together. But with the right planning and collaboration, these challenges can be overcome. Now, let's talk about technology and automation. These play a crucial role in enhancing product traceability. Technologies like barcoding, RFID, and even blockchain are revolutionizing how manufacturers track their products. They provide real-time visibility into the supply chain, allowing for quick identification of any issues that arise. Quality management systems and data analytics tools help manufacturers analyze trends and improve their processes continuously. But who is responsible for ensuring product traceability? It's a team effort. Manufacturers must implement and maintain traceability systems, while suppliers must provide accurate information about the materials they supply. Distributors also play a role, ensuring that products are tracked as they move through the supply chain. Even consumers have a part to play. By demanding transparency and reporting any concerns, they can help keep manufacturers accountable. So, when is product traceability most critical? It's essential at every stage of the manufacturing process, but certain moments stand out. For instance, tracking raw materials is crucial to ensure safety and quality. During production, it's vital to ensure that products are made to the correct specifications. Packaging and labeling are also critical, as incorrect information could lead to serious consequences. And, of course, traceability becomes paramount during recalls or quality control investigations. In conclusion, product traceability is not just a buzzword. It's a vital component of modern manufacturing. It ensures safety, quality, and compliance, while enhancing efficiency and building consumer trust. As we continue to evolve in this fast-paced world, staying up to date with the latest advancements in product traceability will be essential for manufacturers looking to remain competitive and meet the demands of informed consumers. So, the next time you pick up a product, remember the journey it took to get there and appreciate the systems in place that ensure it's safe and reliable. Product traceability. It's more than just tracking. It's about trust, safety, and accountability in every bite, sip, and purchase.